Hi, do you also get confused between makeup fixer and a setting spray? Then keep watching. This is the last episode of my series, which is Makeup Hacks from Scratch, and this is the episode 5. And today I'm going to talk about setting spray and makeup fixers. And by the end of this video, I'm going to share my personal favorite brands for setting sprays and makeup fixers. Setting spray is like a mist for your skin. It melts your makeup into your skin and it helps your base to look very dewy and very subtle and usko cakey and patchy नहीं होने देता है. Whereas if we talk about the makeup fixer, so it fixes your makeup. Makeup fixer से आपका makeup last long होता है. Even if you're sweating और आप humid weather में हो, then you need a makeup fixer to fix your makeup. Now, when to use the setting spray and when to use the makeup fixers? You will use setting sprays when you want your makeup to look very dewy and very glowy. If your base is looking very cakey and very patchy, then also you can use the setting sprays. Now, when can you use the makeup fixers? Basically, if you want कि आपका makeup बहुत ही last long करे, if you have a very long event to attend, अगर आपका bridal makeup है, party makeup है, any wedding related function है, then you will have to use the makeup fixer at the very end of your makeup because उससे आपका makeup lock in हो जाएगा and वो bud and smudge proof होगा. Also आप कितना भी dance करो, fun करो, आपका makeup lock in रहता है. You can apply setting spray before starting your makeup, in between your makeup, after completing your base. But whereas we talk about the makeup fixers, then you cannot apply it in between the makeup. Makeup fixer is the very last step of makeup. Now let's talk about the application. So firstly आपको bottle लेनी है and you have to keep it away like 6 to 8 inches away, not very close to your face. उससे काफी ज्यादा स्प्रे लग जाएगा एंड आपका मेकअप कभी कभी पैची भी हो सकता है. जो पैटर्न होता है स्प्रे करने का वो टी एंड एक्स फॉर्म में होता है. विल डू लाइक टी एंड देन एक्स. इससे आपका पूरा फेस कवर हो जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम ऑफ माय फेवरेट ब्रांड्स इन सेटिंग स्प्रे. सो फर्स्ट वन इज हैंड्स डाउन दिस डालबा स्प्रे. सेकंड वन इज मिलानी मेक इट लास्ट. देयर इज आल्सो वन मोर व्हिच इज फ्रॉम द L'Oreal and it's very trendy in the market right now. It's giving very good results. I don't have it with me right now, but you can definitely go for it. Other than this, there is one size setting spray which is great for people who sweat a lot, and the very famous MAC Fix Plus. This is also very amazing. Now let's talk about my favorite fixers. The first one is Urban Decay All Night. It doesn't make your makeup look very dry and I personally love it. Now the next one which I use almost every single time whenever I am applying a makeup fixer, it's from the Turtle. Also gives very like dewy finish to your face because not so many makeup fixers gives that dewy finish, but this one definitely gives it. So the very famous Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, that is also one of the best makeup fixers in the market. Remember that the setting spray will improve the finish and will make your makeup look very subtle. While we talk about the makeup fixers, it will make your makeup last long. It gives longevity. So in my opinion, you should use both the things, setting sprays while doing your makeup and makeup fixer at the end of your makeup. So I hope I was able to make you understand about setting sprays and makeup fixers. And this was the end of this series. Save this reel for your future reference and I'll see you later. Bye.